Welcome back. Let's continue with the ViewHolder class. We said that the ViewHolder used for holding references to the views for a single item in the recycler view. And the item view represents the view for a single item in the recycler view. Here, inside this class, I'll start initializing the variables that we declare in the layout. Var item image, it's of type image view. Var item title, it's of type text view. Var item description, it's of type text view. Notice that if we go to the item underscore layout, we have 3 widgets, the image view and 2 text views. I am going to create the references of these UI components inside the inner class myViewHolder. Inside this inner class, I'll use init block to start initializing these variables. So item image equals to item view, which is the current view representing a view for a single item in the recycler view, dot find view by id r.id.image view. The item view represents the root view of the individual item in the recycler view. In other words, it's the layout for a single item in the list. And find view by ID, this method is called on the item view to find a view with a specific resource ID, which is the image view. I'm referring for this image view of ID image view. I'll initialize the other 2 widgets. So item title equals to item view dot find view by ID r.id.title text, and item description equals to item view dot find view by ID r.id.description. Using a view holder in a recycler view is a best practice that helps improve the performance of scrolling through a list or grid of items. The primary purpose of the view holder is to hold references to the views within a single item layout, allowing for efficient recycling of views and minimizing the number of views creations during scrolling. Imagine in a recycler view, items are created dynamically as the user scrolls through the list. Without view recycling, a new view would be created for each item, leading to a significant overhead in terms of memory usage and performance. The solution is using the ViewHolder pattern. The ViewHolder pattern allows views to be recycled. When an item goes off screen, its ViewHolder is recycled and reused for a new item that comes into view. This reduces the number of view creations and helps in keeping the memory footprint low. And finding views by their IDs using find view by ID can be expensive operation, especially when performed frequently. The ViewHolder caches references to the views during its creation. This way, subsequent calls to access the views during data binding are faster, as the references are already stored in the ViewHolder. But it's okay to find view by ID method using the ViewHolder to reduce the find view by ID method calls. Scrolling through a large list without view recycling can result in laggy and inefficient UI performance. The solution comes with the ViewHolder. View recycling provided by the RecyclerView ViewHolder pattern significantly improves scrolling performance, making it smoother and more responsive. So the ViewHolder pattern helps in achieving efficient view recycling and improves the overall performance of the recycler view.